pocket, and if I wasn't heavily medicated, people would want to call an ambulance.
Man, it is one thing to have a cough for a couple of weeks, right? But what about years on end?
Cannot imagine. In our health news to use, though, Karen Larson introduces us to a woman who was more than frustrated, Karen.
Well, this patient just couldn't stop coughing. After years of struggle, though, she finally got her life back. Having a cough can be annoying. So imagine coughing like this for 30 years.
It was in 1986, and I was at the end of my first trimester of being pregnant.
That was when Margaret Folsom noticed she kept coughing but didn't have a cold. And it kept getting worse.
I coughed 24/7 and would have small intervals. If I didn't take any medication, maybe of 10 to 15 minutes in between.
Margaret couldn't sleep or travel.
I was removed from a flight, which is embarrassing. I could never go to a movie or a play, church, anywhere in public.
She tried medication, surgeries, testing. No one could find out why she kept coughing or how to stop it. Her health failing, finally one doctor asked if he could test her esophagus.
When I woke up, he said, "You're not going to believe what I found. You have stomach tissue in the top third of your esophagus."
I wish we could have seen you years ago.
Dr. Anthony Canfield worked with another doctor to remove that tissue, which was producing acid and making her cough, and other scar tissue from previous surgeries.
Even though she fit the pattern of usual common reflux, she did not get any benefit from the surgery or the medications because it didn't block the acid.
Now Margaret is looking forward to the things she couldn't do.
There's a lot of life left.
Karen Larson, 2 Works for You.